Anyway, so to take off the rear tire, you have this metal clip. You have this washer right here, and then you have another, this nut right here, and then another washer inside of this wheel. We're going to have to break loose in just a second. And then as far as the exhaust goes, with my bike, before I can slide the tire off, I need to remove the exhaust pipes. So I'm going to redo this nut here, and then this Allen bolt here, and this Allen bolt here. I've already taken those off. So now this should be loose enough to slip off of the exhaust. So before I put this bad boy back together, I'm going to take some grease and kind of get some grease on this back axle. Just kind of put a thin layer all the way around it. Not too thick, because a lot of it will scrape off when I put the tire on anyway. There you go. So now we're going to take this right here and stick it on first, and this guy. And we're going to tighten it down all the way. We got to get it on far enough so that it's tight and holds the wheel straight, and then we also have to be able to put on this cotter pin all the way through so it sticks in. I'll show you. So this little pin, there's a little hole right inside of there that this needs to attach onto. It goes right through. Anyway, it's on there. So I'll put a list on the video description of everything that you need to do this, like the stand, the ratchet size for this, the tires. Tires are really cheap in the video on Amazon, so I'll post a link for those. There we go. Got the back tire in place, the exhaust back on. Everything's good to go. Anyway, if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like if this video helped you. Thanks for watching.